a big milestone in India's fugitive hunt. Belgian courts Mehul Choksi order has been accessed. The court says there is no legal barrier to extradition. Choksi, not Belgian, can be extradited. The court has noted swindle, loot and fraud charges against Mehul Choksi. Belgium has agreed the charges on Choksi aren't political. Choksi's kidnapping claim is not proven. This perhaps in that sense clears the decks for Choksi's extradition back to the country. The court saying that they essentially have no problem with Mehul Choksi being extradited. Munish is getting in more details on that story. Munish, this obviously means that at least the decks have been cleared for Choksi to be brought back to India, with the court now not objecting to it. This was, of course, Choksi's petition before the court in Belgium.
Well, Sneha, this is the order by the Belgium court in which the Belgium court has cleared the extradition of Mehul Choksi to India. But the order is very strong, Sneha, and in the light of allegations which were leveled by the Indian government, the Indian agencies, especially by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, the local court there believe that whatever the allegations by the Indian agencies have been made, for those allegations, Mehul Choksi should be extradited to India. What is important here is to point out that Mehul Choksi's defense was that it is political in nature. If he is extradited to India, then he will be punished. But in the order, the court has very clearly specified that it is non-political in nature. He has committed the offense for which he should be extradited to India, and it is a major win, Sneha, for the Indian government and Indian agencies. Because whenever there is an extradition process, the main and important point is the law of reciprocity, which means that whatever is criminal offense in India, that should also be a criminal offense in Belgium. And the court has gone through every minute detail of what was mentioned by the CBI and ED in regards to the forgery, in regards to the cheating, and also important is the disappearance of evidence in the case. And the court has now believed and ordered extradition of Mehul Choksi on the grounds that Mehul Choksi was involved in cheating, forgery, and he was also involved in destruction of evidence. So in all those grounds, the court has believed the Indian agencies, and that is why the court has given the order to extradite Mehul Choksi to India. But Sneha, this is also important to point out that as per the legal process, Mehul Choksi has an option of appearing before the court, which means that if he uses that opportunity, then it will take some more time for India to get back Mehul Choksi to India. But he will remain in jail. The court has also pointed out that if he is extradited to India, then he will be kept at Arthur Road Jail in Mumbai, and the conditions there are absolutely fine, because in past what we have seen in the case of Nirav Modi or Mehul Choksi, they keep alleging that the conditions are very inhumane in Arthur Road Jail or in the Delhi jail, but the court believes that the conditions are exactly how criminals
That's right, Munish. That was in fact an argument that was made that the condition of the jails aren't good enough, but the court isn't buying all of that. The order has been accessed. The Belgian court closing Mehul Choksi's lost escape route. They're ordering extradition to India in connection with the PNB scam here.